it's honestly the transformation for me. Hi guys, it's your girl Tadz and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be sleeking my hair with gel, doing a high pony type of thing. So yeah, if you want to see that, stay tuned. So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this hair. It's supposed to be like a crochet hair type of thing, then you have like an afro thing going on, but I'm just gonna make it an extension of my pony. So this is the hair, it's ebony. I don't know what like it's called, but yeah, it was my mom's hair. This is not second-hand hair like last time, it's not thrift hair, but like it was left over, or it's a new packet because she had 2 packets and she used 1. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it for my hair. I'm gonna use it for my hair. So this is I know it looks nice right now or whatever, but I have a vision and I wanna make that vision, yeah. You know my word? Vision, yeah. I will make the vision become. So the products that I'm gonna be using for my hair is this gel, this Isoplus gel. It's not the gel that I wanted, but I've been using this gel for like a long time. I've sleeked down my hair before, so it's not my first time doing it. I just haven't done it in a very long time. But it's not the gel that I wanted, but I couldn't find any other gel where I went, so I had to buy this one. The other product that I'm going to be using is this spray, just to like damp my hair so that I'm able to, I don't know, just to tantalize my hair so I can do the things to be done. This is the spray that I'm using. It's called Style and Image. Then I might need to use hair food, just, you know, to get my. And then I'm going to need my combs. This is what I'm using, and the brush. Yeah, the toothbrush for my edges. Disclaimer, I do not know how to lay edges to save my life, but I will try. I don't know how to lay edges. I don't know if it's because it's this gel that I use and it doesn't work properly, and I also don't have the skills. I don't know, but this gel is not strong. It's not like I wanted like molding gel, you see. So this is what I'm using. I might need to use the wool to like tighten my hair, and maybe for the extension, the pony extension, to like tie it up nicely. I've never done like this extension type of hair thing, but I definitely know how to gel my hair, so it won't be a flop like my last hair video. So yeah. Okay, so first thing is I'm gonna try comb my hair so I can get it to be straight up as possible, and then I'll go in with the gel. So now I just thought maybe I should like add gel gradually before tying it up so it can like kind of lay down nicely. So let me do that. Can you see the transformation? Did you see how my hair was when I started this video? Now look at it. Miracle. Black girl magic. Miracles, I tell you. Oh, and I almost forgot. Someone asked me in the comment section of one of my videos. They asked me, what did they ask me? They asked me something about my hair. I think they asked me how I get my hair to be the way it is. I'll check the comment and then I'll reply now, since I'm doing a hair video. It's only relevant that I do. But can you just look at my hair? Okay, so I found the comment. The person had asked me what I do to make my hair grow, because they really like my hair. Thank you. I won't even lie and say like I use these type of certain products constantly or have like a routine for my hair. I don't. I just genuinely braid my hair. I believe in plaiting your hair, protective hairstyles, like whether it's braids or freehand, just keeping your hair not out for a long time, you know. That's what I've been doing since a young age. Yeah, I don't have like specific products that I use. I just basically freestyle everything, freestyle my hair, whatever I'm doing. I don't have a specific thing, so just braiding after, and when I take out my braids or what I had plaited, I go to the salon, wash my hair, maybe keep my hair for a few weeks. I don't leave my hair out for a long time. I don't like doing that. Or if I'm leaving out for a long time, I'll do bantu knots or I don't know what you call it in other languages, but you know magodi, where you like put wool around your hair and just like keep it protected basically. Or like my go-to hairstyle is like Travis Scott braids, where I just plait my hair, like where I just braid my hair with my own hair. Like, yeah, basically that's what I do. I don't have like anything specific. Like I use coconut oil, then after coconut oil I go in with this product. Now I don't do that. I just plait, unplait, wash my hair. If I need to relax it, relax it. Yeah, just like that. But I don't relax my hair all the time. Like in a year I can relax my hair 3 times. So yeah, I've always had relaxed hair since I was like 5. Don't judge me, it was my mom. But I like it. I like having my hair the way it is. I don't have complaints really. So that's basically what I do, or how I take care of my hair. I untied it again and tried retying it with the string because I felt like it wasn't tight enough, but now it feels much better. But now I feel like my thing is skewed. I don't know, child, I don't know. So now I'm just gonna put in a bun so I can put my extension, and then the rest of this wool I'm just gonna wrap it around with me. So now I'm just gonna use this scarf hair wrap on my hair so I can lay it down, and then maybe I think I'm gonna blow it, like just put heat so it can kind of dry. I don't know, I just feel like adding the blower will make a difference. So whilst I wait, I'm gonna try and figure out this thing, this ponder thing, how I'm gonna put it and how I'm gonna make it curly. So this is the hair. Look at that bounce. Would you believe that is that same hair that I took out of the packet that was coily, looking like my Ponytail? Now look at it. It's so nice. Imagine now I don't know how I'm gonna attach it. I'm thinking of maybe like I just like kind of make a knot here, then put my wool, and then I make up. It's nice, guys. The hair is nice. So let me figure that out, then we can slay. Okay, so I've tied here, and then I'm gonna like put it by my bun, and I'll figure it out when we get to there. So this is it. It's so nice and bouncy. It's so nice. This hair is nice actually. Just wait until I'm done with the finished product. So now I'm gonna take off my dupe. I think I've only had it for like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna blow, and then I'm gonna look cute. Tell me that this ain't magic. You can tell me this ain't magic. Okay, so now let me comb it out and get the curls, and then I'm gonna do my edges, and I'm gonna come back here looking all cute, and there's nothing you can do about it because I'm the girl. But no, man, come on, it's giving me matric dance vibes. It's giving me princess. It's giving me I'm joking. No, nobody's I'll be back. So this is how it looks after I've run through it to get the curls out. Guys, you cannot tell me I'm not who I think I am right now. You cannot tell me I'm not who I think I am right now. Sometimes all you just need is the right hairstyle, and then it's over sharp. When you think you have a bad day, just tantalize your hair. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. We're gonna put a scrunchie. Which one matches closer to what I'm wearing? I think this one or yellow. I don't know. Let's put it in and see. Kim Archives. She's the plug. Affordable and nice quality. Imagine whatever clothes I choose to wear that day, I can just put on my scrunchie and look cute. You know what I'm saying? I really like this hairstyle. Let me do a young 360. And it bounces. Wait, I have a better idea. It's the transformation for me, child. It's honestly the transformation for me. I don't look like that girl that you're seeing at the beginning of this video. That's not me. This is my real face, so look at my real face. And it should be illegal to look this cute and stay in the house. Like, why does this have to happen to me? Why me? But anyways, this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the process. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post. And yeah, I love this look. This is actually like, okay, I've only done one hairstyle on this channel, but it's a hairstyle that I'm proud to say. I think it's a bit ski, but I don't mind. No one will notice. I look nice. I look cute. I look I honestly like this hairstyle. If you're wondering how I'm gonna maintain it, before I sleep I will tie a doek like I did when I was waiting for it to lay down, like the gel, and then I'll maybe put this in a bun, or I'll just take my bonnet and then scoop it up, cover with my bonnet that I got from Kim Archives. You already know the drill. Kim Archives is the plug. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna maintain it, because I also did my sister's one before that. I gelled her hair out, put a picture here and show you guys. That's how she's been maintaining hers, and it's going fine. Just put your gel, like you'd say the next day if I'm going somewhere, which I'm not going anywhere, I'm just going to church. But if I want to go to church the night before, I'll gel it, put my doek, cover the bonnet, sleep, wake up the next day, brush it nicely, do my edges. I can't do edges, but you get the drill. That's how I'm gonna maintain it basically for like about 3 weeks, because it's really cute. So yeah, do all the nice things, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell me, do you like this look? Would you try it on your hair? What would you rate it out of 10? Just let me know what you think in the comment section below. Most importantly, guys, don't forget that you are loved, you are beautiful. Stay kind, stay blessed, stay awesome. It's your girl Tadz. Bye.